Hey folks, I'm going to show you a problem or a solution for a problem that a lot of property owners have, which is a sagging gate, of a house, or of a privacy fence like this one. And what happens is, with time, the gates, the doors will sag, and because of usually the construction of these gates, the studs that holds the gate together are cemented into the ground, and they're wood studs. The actual framework of the fence is wood. But I want to show you this solution, which is what I saw at a client's house, which is what I wanted to share with you all. The solution is metal studs. The metal studs will not sag. They will stay firm and straight on the ground, no matter how much moisture hits them and how much the weather hits them. So they're like, it's like having a steel backbone. This thing will never bend. You will never have sagging gates if you have a construction, a gate constructed like this. And I'm going to show you what it looks like, so that you can see. And I'm going to go around the other side. Unfortunately, my client is not here right now, so I'm going to have to go around the house, around the back on the other side, and show you the back side of the fence. On this side, I'm going to show you the front, and then we'll go to the back. Anyway, I'm going to have to move the phone this way. Oops. My apologies. Actually, I'm going to have to edit this later. Okay, here's what the frame looks like. It's metal, and you can see they are cemented into the ground. So the frame of this gate is metal, and so that makes it indestructible, unmovable, and it'll last forever. So I'm going to show you the back side of it now. Here is the back side of the fence, and as you can see, the whole frame is made out of metal, and the backbone of this fence is very sturdy. It's made out of metal. It's been welded. Its construction of this thing is solid, welded on this the top part. So as you can see, the whole infrastructure of this fence is solid, and it will never sag. So anyway, I have the name of the person that does these fences, and they're a little bit pricey, but they're worth it. So anyway, that's the solution to sagging gates in Florida. All right, folks. Well, thanks for watching my video. Make it a great day, and please remember me for your real estate needs. Guillermo Fernandez from RE/MAX at 305-815-8532. Bye.